Hello Orchestra, we are on page 27. 27 is just a continuation of page 26, what we learned on page 26. Learning notes on the G string and learning to play songs in the key of G major. So let's get started. Line 125, G major scale, memorization line. Well, after we play it several times, it would be good of you to try to play it from memory. Okay? Let's do it, though, with the music in front of us. Notice the key signature at the beginning of the song has one sharp. That's called G major. When we play the F, we play it as a sharp. When we play the C, we don't play the C as a sharp any longer. We play it as a C natural. All right, remember this is the low string for our violins. Let's play it together and sing the notes. Rest, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, A, 4, B, 2, C, 4, open D, 2, 4, S sharp 2, G, 4, G, 2, S sharp 4, E, 2, D, 4, 4, B, 4, A, 2, G, 4. Try to play it from memory. Are you playing it from memory? Half notes. Just going up the scale. Now repeat the top note. 2 beats, 2 pulses on each note. You'll find that to be pretty easy and fun to do. Play the G major scale by memory. 126, G major Etude. Looking at this song reminds me of a song we played about, 6 or 7 pages back. Remember the interval song that we did? This is very similar, but we're doing it on the G string. Notice it goes from G, G, A, then G, G, B, B, G, G, C, C, and so on. It just goes up one note higher in each little pattern. Let's do it. Rest, 2, 3, and sing. G, G, A, G, G, B, B, G, G, C, C, G, G, D, D, G, G, E, E, G, G, S sharp, S sharp, G, 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 2, G, 4, repeat, G, G, E, E, G, G, B, B. Play through the rest of it by yourself, guys. Those interval songs are fun. At least we like them at our school. Das Steckenpferd, a German folk song test line. Ooh, the test line. This is a great one for teachers to have their students sight read and just kind of test how they're doing sight reading wise. And then practice the song all together as a group and then play it again and see how much you improved. It's just a fun little exercise or experiment to see how much you actually improve from practice. You'll be amazed how much 5 minutes of practice will do on one song, how much better you'll be. Let's go ahead and sight read this. Notice there are some number 4 fingerings on the D. That means we're playing 4th finger on the G string to get the note D. 127, das Steckenpferd. Rest, 2, sing as you play. G2, B4, D2, lift and set. D, C, B, A, G2, lift and set. C, A, D, D, B, B, C, A, D, D, B, B, G, A, B, C. Fourth finger D, lift and set, and D, C, E, A, G, rest. A lot of fourth finger D's in there, except boom, right there. They gave us an open D string to play. All right, here's a song from Argentina, and I'm not sure I can pronounce it correctly, but here we goes. Duermete, mi niño. If any of you Spanish-speaking people heard me say that, let me know if I said it right or not. Duermete, mi niño. I know niño means like child. Let's do this. 2 lines of music. Rest, 2, 3, 4. G, 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 A, B, 2, G, 4, D, D, E, A, D, 2, E, 4, E, E, C, B, 2, G, 4, A, B, A, G, D, 2, lift and set. Next line. G, G, A, B, 2, G, 4, D, D, E, E, D, 2, E, 4, E, 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 C, B, 2, G, 4, A, B, A, G, G, 2, 3, 4. I noticed this next song, Reuben and Rachel, kind of reminds me of the song Duermete, mi niño. Has a similar sound to it. Reuben and Rachel is also a song that is fun to play fast. So after you learn to play it slow, try doing it fast. I think you'll enjoy it. Rest, 2, 3, and G. G. And then finish it out. Here is the last song on the page, a Christmas song, Jolly Old St. Nicholas. Now I will tell you right now what part I know you're going to have trouble playing. If we get to the end, if we look at the end of the first line, the last 2 measures right here, you might have a little trouble getting your fingers in the right spots and bowing the right notes there. Not too much trouble. But the next place probably will definitely give you some trouble until you've practiced it several times. And that is right here. A, G, A, B, G, 2, rest, rest. Not only are the notes kind of bouncing around a little bit from string to string, but we're using a 4th finger A here and an open finger A here. Okay, kind of a little bit more of a challenge to get our mind to process these notes quickly, and of course to place our finger in the right spot. Let's go ahead and try it. Okay, we're on the A string. First finger B, rest, 2, 3, 4, and B, B, A, 4, G, 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 B, 2, 3, 4, B, 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 G, 4, S sharp, G, A, B, A, 2, 3, 4. Next line, B, 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 A, 4, G, 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 B, 2, 3, 4, B, 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 G, 4, A, B, G, 2, rest, rest. How'd you do on those last two measures? Did you have a little trouble with your fingers and switching strings? You might have. Give it some practice and you'll be a pro in no time. That's page 27. See you next time.